Welcome to the Interactive Machine Learning and AI course roadmap. This video will guide you through what to expect in our comprehensive program. Let's dive into the exciting world of machine learning and artificial intelligence. This course covers everything from the basics to advanced concepts, ensuring a solid foundation and specialized knowledge. You'll explore core theories, practical applications, and engage in hands-on projects. Our journey starts with the foundational knowledge you need. We'll explore core concepts and theories, building a strong understanding of how ML and AI work. Engage with interactive modules designed for a clear and basic understanding of complex topics. Theory is important, but applying it is where the real learning happens. Discover real-world examples of ML and AI in action, from smart assistants to autonomous vehicles. Dive into compelling case studies and problem-solving scenarios to sharpen your analytical skills. Learning by doing is central to this course. Work on guided projects that allow you to apply learned concepts directly and build a portfolio. Tackle interactive coding challenges and exercises that reinforce your understanding and problem-solving abilities. Once you've mastered the basics, we'll elevate your expertise. We'll introduce advanced ML and AI topics, pushing your knowledge to the next level. Discover pathways for deeper learning and specialization in areas like natural language processing, computer vision, and more. This course is crafted for aspiring ML and AI professionals like you. Emphasize the scratch to advanced progression, ensuring that whether you're a beginner or have some experience, you'll find value and growth. Benefit from hands-on learning, building a robust portfolio, and gaining practical skills applicable to real-world challenges. Ready to transform your career and become an expert in ML and AI? Subscribe today for full access to all course modules, projects, and personalized support. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Enroll now for free by subscribing us and embark on your ML and AI journey.